Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gadget Trends. In this video we will talk about the new update Funtouch OS 10 update for Vivo Z1 Pro, which is an Android 10 update for this device. Finally this update has been released for this device. As we all know, Vivo comes among the top 10 smartphone vendors in the Asian market, and like other smartphone vendors, they are releasing the Android 10 update for their devices. Likewise, Vivo also released Android 10 update for the most updated flagship devices and other mid-range devices. Now the Vivo Z1 Pro is receiving the Android 10 update, and in this update you will get the complete new UI design and several other features has been added in this update. Also the existing features has been improved and several other bugs has been fixed in this update. The size of this update is near about 3.1 GB. And if you have not received this update, go to your setting and check for system updates. If you are not able to see any notification about this update, I recommend you should wait for a few days. You will receive this update because it takes time to roll out for all the units. I hope you liked this video. For more updates like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.